Pakistan again provokes India, warning of war, but India calls it empty threats. Meanwhile, Nigeria's oil output drops, tightening global energy supply. Back home in India, anti-terror forces carry out a major raid in Jammu and Kashmir, neutralizing key terror threats. And then there's a deadly scandal. 17 children under 5 die in Madhya Pradesh after consuming contaminated cough syrup. The syrup was found laced with diethylene glycol at nearly 500 times over safe limits. Hundreds of batches across states are being tested. Drug licenses are suspended, factories shut, and investigations launched, raising urgent questions about pharma regulation and public safety.